Hello students, this is science class for class 9th and today I am going to discuss some more examples which are related to average speed and average velocity. So, let us see. Abdul, while driving from home to school, he computes average velocity, average speed km per hour, while returning from school to home, he computes his average velocity, average speed km per hour due to less traffic. Due to less traffic. Calculate average speed during the entire trip. Okay. So, let us see this question. Abdul, while driving from home to school, he computes his average velocity, average speed 20 km per hour, while he returning from school to home due to less traffic, he computes his average speed 30 km per hour. You have to calculate average speed during the entire trip. So, suppose this is home and this is school. Let the distance from home to school be x kilometer. Okay. And while he was driving from home to school, the average speed was 20 km per hour, and while he was returning, average speed was 30 km per hour. Okay. So, to calculate average speed, we have to find out total distance covered and total time taken. Okay. So, total distance covered, total distance covered, it is x kilometer plus x kilometer, it is 2x kilometer. Okay. Now, time taken from home to school, it is distance upon speed. The distance is x kilometer and the speed is 20 kilometer per hour. So, it is x by 20 hour. Similarly, we will find out time taken from school to home. It is distance upon speed, distance upon speed, and it is x kilometer upon 30 kilometer per hour. So, this is x by 30 hour. Okay. Now, total time taken, total time taken, it is x by 20 plus x by 30 hour. Okay. This is equal to, if you solve it, it is 5 by 60 hour. Okay. It is 5x by 60 hour. So, it is x by 12 hour. Now, you can see this is total time taken and this is total distance covered and it is total time taken. So, now you can very easily find out average speed. Since average speed it is equal to total distance covered upon total time taken. So, this is total distance covered is 2x kilometer and total time taken is x by 12 hour. Okay. This is 2x into 12 upon x kilometer per hour. X and x cancel. So, this is 24 kilometer per hour. Okay. In this way, you can find out average speed during the entire trip. Now, we will discuss some more questions in the next class, and this class is over now. Thanks everyone.